Hey guys, I'm Danny Light. Many of you have been requested, asked how you can edit melodies from packs. Example from my pack, and I released yesterday one huge pack, and I choose the melody, this event, this one. My CPU getting somehow spikes. I will show how it sounds all together, and the leads I use from my RAWSTYLE pack, but as you can see, you can use this pack also very well in just euphoric hardstyle. The spikes comes from the chords, but we will edit melody. First of all, enable legato, mono legato around there, 77 milliseconds. So, and I enable close notes that I see the chords below the main melody. You can basically really edit the melody to interesting, like for longer notes. I love to add example the glide stuff. Short note at the beginning, or maybe from up, but always it doesn't work. Let's see if it worked here. Shorten up, like so. Sounds already more interesting, and let's add maybe it here at 10. See, just little touch. Maybe let's try on this shorter note. I usually when make guides I don't prepare, so it's come on the flow. Just little notes and make a lot of difference. Of course, this spike's pissing me off. I don't know why it started it doing. I think need some upgrade to my computer. Basically, I love to add them to the beginning on the bar. Oops, there something wrong. Let's make it like this. And again. Just these little touches can make so big difference in the melody. Or maybe long makes... Wait, I will go... Oh no, I don't go. This last notes longer. and to the end like this. And maybe here little jump. Something like this. But this even octave higher, but I think it will sound nasty. And they like going like this. Even not that worse as I thought. This is even giving more energy. Sometimes for this kind of the melodies, oops, I love to add this. I have the name. I actually don't know at the moment how to say it. This short notes. Example like this. Like so. Let's shorten up them also. And let's copy this to the spikes makes me so crazy. I think also the recording software plays also this role. And here also. And maybe once again for this. And note here we will not add. One moment. It's actually already going that well. There should be also this longer note. And this. You can edit so much melodies from the back. Maybe you can start from here. And already sounds pretty cool. But what is eating so much CPU? SERUM, I think SERUM. Even I was able to use hundreds of them at the same time, I don't know. example, I bounced chords. Here is this notes playing short. I can take the chord wave. I love in between you can bounce in place. Then I reverse them like so. Adding some air candy. And sometimes I edit just on the wave, stretching them up to make it this interesting. I know you're able to do it on the MIDI, but sometimes stretch it sounds even cooler. Let's make better this way. I think it already sounds pretty cool. You can change example this. Example just edit places. And maybe or adding there also, like from bottom. Yeah, like this, just playing with notes around, and as you can see, we can edit pretty much the whole melody. And if you want, of course, you can, where these short notes, add longer notes. Around where is this empty spaces, you can add the notes. Not that, to make them longer. There. It's just an option how you like the melody more. if you enable at the drop sidechain, it sounds also pretty interesting. And here you go. So this is one way how you can edit a melody from packs. See you guys in next video.